Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and a brand new hotel room tour. I am currently at Manchester Airport in their Radisson Blu hotel, and as always when I stay in any hotels around the UK, I do a little room tour for you all. So I'm up on the 7th floor in room 737, so let's get in and I'll show you the room. As with most hotels in the UK, you of course have to put your key card in the little switch for all of the lights. So now that is in, we'll start by showing just the back of the door. As per usual, you always have your fire safety on the back of the door. And if we go to the left straight away, we have the bathroom. So the bathroom's actually really nice. So you've got this lovely, I'm guessing, marble effect, maybe? You've got a couple of glasses, you've got a mini soap, nice tap, and then of course you've got me who's been traveling, so please excuse the mess. You've got lights on either side, and then you've got this really cool mirror that zooms in on you with a light on the side, and your little thing for your shavers. And is that a bottle opener? That's a strange choice. A couple of towels here, as well as tissues and your bin. We have, of course, standard toilet, and then we have these really cute little toiletries here, which I might take with me if I can fit them in my case. And then this is done really nicely. Then we've got some lovely towels up here. We have the bath mat, and then we have the shower head, which looks really different. Okay, we'll need to try that out afterwards, but this is the bathroom. You might be able to see some drips. I did just put it on and it comes out of the rim. It's weird. Can't say it was the best flowing shower I've ever seen, but this is the bathroom. All done. Now if we move out of the bathroom, opposite me we have a coat hook where my little hoodie is hanging up, and we have this little cute section that you can actually step into that's got a mirror. To the left we have a safe with, of course, your instructions on the door, and the safe is actually, it's really big. That's really good. Then to this side we've got space for clothes and things if you're staying a few nights, coat hooks, there's a laundry service, and of course you've got your iron and ironing board. Lovely. To the left of this little section here we have our tea and coffee making facilities. We've got some butterscotch crunch biscuits, we've got coffee, tea, different varieties here, as well as a Galaxy hot chocolate. I might have that tonight before bed. I'm destroying the display, and a couple of wine glasses as well. Down in here we do have a sink. Nope, we don't have a sink, we have a fridge. And I don't think this has been left by the hotel, but we have an open milk. So I'm guessing they never checked the fridge. From the fridge, we move up here and we have an adjoining room, which obviously I'm by myself, so I definitely do not need to be using this door. We'll then flip round and look at the bed. The bed is massive. Like, look at the size of this. This is huge. What? So on the wall, I'm guessing we've got some aircon facilities along with, of course, a plane flying, and I'm guessing this is a runway. We have lights either side of the bed. We also have some water here. I'm guessing this is still water with a couple of glasses, which is nice to drink out of rather than plastic. As I say, the bed is huge. We also have, of course, the phone to phone reception and whatever else you need to phone, along with a pencil. Oh, it's a pencil. Little notepad there. A lovely chair. Oh, okay, it's quite comfy. There's me in the chair. So from here we can see the massive Samsung TV. We've got the little luggage rack where I put my suitcase and my backpack, and we have the desk. But before we get to the desk, we have this massive footstool, and you also have in-room dining. And this is all about room service and prices. There we go. We also have this really lovely desk area with a lamp and another chair. This is a leatherette chair. You've got a European adapter, you have plugs, another phone, and another pencil and notepad, along with your remote for the TV. And the final thing is the view. The view, we don't have a runway view, but we can see a couple of other hotels. So we've got the Ibis Budget, the Holiday Inn. I don't know what the Voyager is. I don't believe that's a hotel though. And this is the view. So there we go. just a few quick little pointers before I finish the video off. The Radisson Blu is actually near Terminal 2. When I got off the train and you basically go up, there'll be signs to point you in the right direction, and the Radisson is actually on the signpost to point you in the right direction. Terminals 1 to 3, you went right, and Terminal 2 and this hotel, you went left. So in the morning, that's going to be great because I am flying from Terminal 2, and I didn't know that. They changed my terminal at the last minute, so I'm glad I checked. But anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed this room tour, and I hope that you found it helpful. This did cost me a pretty penny to stay here, but at the end of the day, it was more for convenience of being at the hotel, at the airport, sorry, because my flight is 5 to 6 in the morning, so it was all about that. And the room looks amazing. I'm so happy that I splashed out and paid the money for it. If you've enjoyed this room tour though, please do give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below as always, just for the hell of it. And that is it. I've been Disney Matt. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.